Weaving a piece of leather through another piece of leather is not stitching. Obviously, make sure you like the video if you enjoy it, subscribe for future videos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss those future videos. You don't have to have an oblong punch for this project. It helps, obviously, it'll be faster, easier, but you can definitely use a drive punch and just punch 2 holes and then cut between it. When you're cutting between it, only cut a little over halfway in each direction. If you're looking for patterns and artwork, you can find them on my website, link in the doodly-doo box down below. You can also find the same patterns and artwork on the month that they're released on my Patreon. It's an incredible deal. Also link in the doodly-doo down below. If you're looking for high quality tools and supplies at a discounted price, make sure you check the description of this video. I've got a coupon code for Lonsdale leather in there. You're welcome. Nothing says little tiny pouch like baby dragon hide. If you'd rather just buy the pouch instead of the pattern, go check out my website. I'll have at least a couple of them in stock, but once they're gone, they're gone. Before you take off, I've got 2 more videos for you. One right here is how to punch holes easier, pretty self-explanatory, and the other one here is the original version of this video, the no excuses, no stitching, no rivets pouch. So enjoy those, and until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.